let's look at the effect of parameters on the normalized values. Starting with the smoothing factor sigma, this controls the normalization strength. That is, the higher the sigma, the more the values will be normalized and will be biased towards a smaller magnitude. Next, the P norm. This controls the shape of the space onto which we are projecting. From 0 to 1, this will be a concave shape. At p equal to 1, this will be a diamond shape. At p equal to 2, this will be a circle. And increasing from 1 to infinity, this will be a convex shape. It is worth noting that at L infinity, you will achieve a square space because the L infinite norm of X is a single value, which will be the maximum among all the dimensions. Finally, the scaling factor G controls the range of your normalization. That is, the higher the G, the higher will be your maximum value of normalization. Now, let's look at how effective is this normalization by using it in an application.